Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy and I'm back again with a new video. So let's talk about restart. So let's talk about how to restart. I mean, those of you who couldn't make it to the July exam, or those who are going to be appearing for the first time in their December paper, for them what should be their mindset. And it is especially today I'll be talking about especially for those of my friends who couldn't make it to July exam. They're going to repeat it again. Whatever be the number of times you're repeating, they're going to give the December paper. So how to restart? Because I know it is hard thinking how to restart. Means also a lot of things will be going in everyone's mind, because I already did this much things. What am I supposed to do more? How should I start again? I'm feeling so much depressed, not wishing to study again. I'm not thinking that I'll be able to do next time. So these are some thoughts which will be going in every one of their mind, and it is a normal thought. I can understand these thoughts will come in your mind when the things doesn't go as we planned it to go. But keeping that everything aside, you should bring your mind again back to study and make a plan for restarting everything again. So I said that we are going to talk about how to restart. So first of all, a lot of factors should be coming in your mind why to restart and how to restart. Firstly, stop thinking that you can't do it, you couldn't do this time. If you score 149 or any score it may be, it will be at 149 pain, I can understand. So you just first of all say yourself that it's okay, next time I'm going to cross that 150. Bring that confidence above you again, so that you should not be in the negative thought. Every day say to yourself, start saying, I will pass the December exam. December is going to be mine. July was not mine, December is going to be my time. So first start saying yourself that is going to bring a lot of positivity in you. So that is a start. Second thing which you should be planning is how to study. For that, take a step back, go to your preparations and see what was the thing you lacked. Why didn't you pass this time? Was it the lack of question solving? Didn't solve enough questions? Did you left more subjects to be read? Did you read everything but your concepts were not clear? Did you didn't revise how much time it is needed? I always say this, how much maximum revision you can do, that is good. But the minimum amount of revision required for this exam is at least 2 to 3 revisions. It should be there. Because the first time when you read something, you are just getting introduced to something. You are coming to know, okay, these are the topics I'm supposed to study. But when you go for the first revision, then the things will come again in your mind. Okay, I read these things. Yeah, I remember. I read something like these things. I am familiar with the terms. Still nothing will go in your mind. But the second revision will make you take it inside. That will make your memory. That is going to give you again, okay, yeah, I read this everything, my concepts are clear, yeah, I know this. You're not going to remember everything. No one said that in second revision you're supposed to remember entire thing. But something you will remember. But the third revision is going to make even that more, it is going to even give you more information in your mind. So that is how the revision strategy works. So if you just think, I will give an entire subject reading once, completing the subject, and then I'll revise it once again, and I'm supposed to know everything. No, it doesn't work like that. So you have to give 2 to 3 revision for getting more things in your mind. If you can do more than 3, it is good. But the minimum which you should be targeting is 3 revisions. So you need to figure it out what went wrong for you. Now let's talk about what should be your planning strategy. More of my friends for whom I recommended, if you were studying, like if whatever be the number of repeats it was your first attempt, it was your second, third, fourth, or whatever attempt also it was, you need to figure out how are you preparing. If till now you have been preparing in home or self-buy in a library or something, an app subscription with anything, you need to join this time. You need to take something different this time, because by self-studying it is not happening for you, it is not working for you. So you can either join a coaching center or you can do an online course. So both is going to help you. You will have the maybe the way how you are studying, you're not able to understand the concepts and everything. And in home, I already said there will be 10 reasons and 10 distractions to keep you away from the studies. So, and if you are not a disciplined student, you need to join online classes or a coaching center. That is going to help you. But if you have been already in a coaching center and then this didn't work for you, it doesn't mean that coaching was not good and your preparation. No, it is not that. It happens sometimes that what was supposed to be done from extra side, see, their work it is to give you all the information and everything. How to process it and how to revise, how much times you should revise it and how you should apply in question solving, this is on you. They didn't said you, I am going to take you from A to Z. They didn't said you. They said, I will give you the most important things to do. I will give you a roadmap. You have to work on that. So there would be something lacking from your side. So you have to work on that. If you are a disciplined student and you have already joined one's coaching or online classes, you have the data, you have the source, you have your notes. You have to just go to that notes again and again. You have to go through it. So better you join a library, you switch to library or self-study and then you revise your entire notes again and again and correlate it with this time for question solving. Every day from now itself you should have a habit that you are solving enough questions. See, there is no good timing of solving question and giving GTs. If you will think and keep, this is especially for the aspirants I am saying because repeaters already know this now. If you are thinking that when my all subjects are going to complete, I am going to give GT now, this is not going to happen. Never your entire 19 subjects are going to complete according to you. Even if you study, you will feel the first subject which I read, I forgot that. Let's revise again, then give the GT. That is not how it works. So better it is those who are going to repeat for December exam and the aspirants, from my side it's a suggestion for you. Give a GT, see your score, where are you standing right now. This is especially for the repeaters as well. Give the GT, see where are you standing. How much do you need to work. If in GT it crossed 150, that doesn't mean that you are good in say exam didn't work according to you. No. That GT in that also analyze, see the subjects which came wrong. See the point, did you did any silly mistakes? Didn't read the question properly? A lot of factors can be there which can make your marks go. Because GT and exam, it is not 100% exact copy paste. It is close to that. So in exam, what happens in home when we give a GT or by ourselves, now we tend to mistake and we feel that yeah okay, here how much mistake we want we can make. Maximum what will happen? 150 won't cross in GT, right? So in that mind we will give the GT. But in exam it is a pressure cooker situation. You know that what can happen, what is at stake. So there the chances of getting silly mistakes increases. But you have to practice GT not only for controlling your GT, not only for controlling your silly mistakes, but also to make your mind habituated to the situation that I should not be in a pressure cooker situation. I should calm myself and I should give the GT or the exam. I should not be in thinking about the result that if it became wrong, what am I supposed to guess? If it became wrong means no. You be with a positive approach, go towards the question and then give a guess. Don't second doubt yourself, and every question if you are going to doubt yourself, that is going to give you unnecessary panic. So these are some things which needs to be kept in mind while preparing. The process of the exam and all the mindset of the exam. This exam is mostly maximum about the mindset because you need to have entire command on 19 subject. That is not the how this exam is needed to be passed. Even if you have 13 to 14 subjects or 15 subjects in your hand now, on which you have nicely your concepts are clear and you have left 4 subjects, like you have not studied, just simply PYQs you saw and you went, still you can pass, and not with a 150 score plus 170, 180. I am the example of that, trust me. You can go back to my videos and you can see what subjects for I didn't prepare at all. But if I can do it, you all can do it also. So some things are there which you need to work out, you need to figure what went wrong last time and then start approaching according to that. Question solving was less, this time make sure FMG solution you solve 2 times, you start giving GT. From now, you should at least give 15 GTs in this entire 4 to 5 months, how much time also you are having. Every month 3 GT is a must. 10 days apart or Sunday, how it goes for you, you can imagine according to that. Don't be afraid of this course that I am studying just now, my main subjects are not revised and I am giving the GT. Confirm marks is going to come less. So why should I give? No, still give. Main subjects तुमने नहीं पढ़ा है ना, तुमने बाकी subjects तो पढ़ा है. See at least बाकी subjects याद है या नहीं. So this is how you need to test yourself. Don't be afraid of being what is going to come. Don't be afraid of the result, what is going to come. Don't overthink it and don't give it. Whatever also it is, just face it. Be on the mindset that whatever also happens, it's okay. I am going to see that what I have studied, at least that is there in my mind or not. So these are some things which you should be following, and whether to be in the coaching again, or else you should be switching to home, or else you should be joining a coaching and or else an online class. This is something which you need to work out. You need to see what you did wrong last time. And for the aspirants, I have already made a video of what kind of student you are, according to that to join the best approach for you for the exam. And if you all want a timetable for the aspirants, how you should be completing the entire thing and everything, please text me. I will try to make that. But one suggestion from my side will be this, that be it aspirant or else be it a repeater, if you are going to start revision of yours, or else if some subjects are left and something is left out, any subjects you didn't did last time, or you are still doing it, so if any scenarios is there, please try to complete either one revision or else once completion of every subject if it is not done till September end. That should be your target, that till 30th September you are done with your one revision. It can be anything, it can be revision. And for the aspirant, if your subjects are not completed and if you are doing a self-study by yourself, so try to complete till September. After that you will be having 3 months in your hand. Try to start your revision. In 3 months, 3 revisions are confirmed possible. Every month also if you are going to give one revisions means, and in fact more than 3 is obviously possible. It is because revisions won't take time. I have already said you, revisions will be faster than how you studied. So if you are very slow also, then also you can do 3 revisions. So definitely you can go for more. So you have time, no need to panic and no need to think what should you be doing and what you should be not. Focus on what you should not be doing. You already know what you do. Focus on what you should not do. So this is something which I wanted to give a clear head for everyone, because a lot of questions were coming for me that I'm not able to focus again. I'm not able to understand what went wrong and what to do. I'm fully blank right now. So this was something which I wanted to say from my side, and I hope that this gives you any kind of it gives you clear on that point. But if any still something is there which you want to ask me, please share it in the comment box, or else you can text me on the Instagram. I will try to help you there. Till then, I'll be seeing you in the next video. And if you are new to my channel and if you like, and if I am any kind of help, if I helped you in any way, please subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. And do stay me for the aspirants. If you need a plan of how you should be planning your study for the December exam, I'll try to come up with the video. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. And start studying now. Time is not going to wait for anyone. Time is going with every passing day. Your day is in number of days are decreasing. So please come up with a mindset fast and start your studies as soon as possible. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.